Future gurus, future course sellers. In this video, I'm going to show you live everything you need to find the right dropshipping product. It's 2024, and the most lucrative place to do that is on TikTok. I've spent over $200,000 on ads time and time again between different ad accounts, only to get a few million impressions. On TikTok, you can literally get that for free. You don't need to spend any money on these dumb expensive programs like AdSpy or PP ads or whatever the hell these other guys are charging an arm and a leg for. You don't have to make fake trial accounts. You don't have to make a million different emails so that you get the 7-day free trial. It's actually so easy. So what you're going to need to do is make a new TikTok account, and you're going to have to train that algorithm to only show you these one product stores that people are making videos for. So I'm going to show you live. I was scrolling down my For You page and I came across a couple of different products. I'm going to show you the products. I'm going to show you what they did. Zero ad spend. Let's get right to it. So this guy, the Aqua Breeze, let's go to his website. I came across this guy and he's selling this fan with the aroma therapy thing. I guess there's water. You put the water in it, it mists you, it fans you. It's $32, and this is easily a dropship product. And let's go through some of his videos here. You can see one of these got 2.4 million views. 2.4 million views at $30 CPM, which you would probably spend on Facebook. This video alone would have cost him $72,000 to get it to 2.4 million people on Facebook. But this is free organic traffic, right?
Look at this.
This other video got 540K, 630K. Now, you probably don't get the same like conversion rates, but you gotta imagine like 2.4 million views. Like, you gotta imagine there's people who bought that, right? A lot of his videos don't get views, but the whole point is that you just keep posting the same types of videos until they go viral, right? So this is another guy that I came across, Pixel Play. He's selling like little Game Boys. Yeah, so TikTok made me buy it. Babe, what do you want for Christmas? He's been selling this thing since Q4 of last year, but still going strong. Valentine's Day this year too. But basically, it looks like now he's advertising towards people who don't have a Nintendo Switch. It's literally a Game Boy with like a bunch of PlayStations. That's like a Chinese Game Boy or whatever. With a bunch of PlayStation 1 games, Game Boy games, and he just literally opens the product every single time. And you could see like 2.3 million views, 8.4 million views. And if you go to his website, he's selling this thing for like $100, 93 euros. Look, he's even got upgrades for the storage. So a little bit of an upsell here, but very basic store. Like looks reviews, barely a description. It's just literally a Game Boy. This is easily drop shipped, and he just posts the same videos every day. Look, they're getting a crazy amounts of views, and a couple of viral videos. So I was scrolling down the For You page, and another thing, the perfect gift idea, right? I don't follow this guy, but I can tell. Obviously, it's a mug warmer. Plug it in. Put your mug on top of it. And let's go to his page. That one that I just watched that was on my For You page got 1 million impressions, right? That would have been, what, $30,000 if you paid for ads. And he honestly looks like it looks like he just started November. November. Yeah, it looks like he stopped for a while. No, these are all from November. Look, this is from November, and it's now February, and it's still coming on For You pages for people. Let's see his actual website. This thing's $20, zero ad cost, $20 probably makes like $15 per like profit per sale, and zero ad spend. Like, it's the most basic website. It doesn't even have reviews on here. Probably dropshipped, most likely dropshipped, but yeah. So this is the last product that I found, this Volcano humidifier. So look at this, 4.1 million views. It's literally an aromatherapy, like it's an air diffuser that looks cool. And this video has 4.1 million views. Let's go to his website. Loading. Oh, looks like this guy's out of business. But it's still a dropshipping product that, you know, he kept posting for a while. One of the videos did go viral, but this is literally all you have to do. Just follow guys like this, like all their stuff, scroll down your For You page, and you'll keep finding products like this. Guys, it's never been more time. Dropshipping on TikTok is the way to go. Facebook is done. Google is done. Not really, but you know what I mean. TikTok is the most lucrative place right now to dropship. You don't have to spend money on ads. Like, can you imagine? Like, if you looked at my other video, I had spent like $200,000+ on ads, right? And I had like a $50,000 profit. Had I not spent that $200,000 in ads, that would have been an extra like 5x, right? 50K profit times 5, $250,000 I would have made on that like $450,000 in sales. TikTok is the way to go. Stop wasting your time anywhere else. If you don't want to make these videos, hire some other people to make the videos for you. Literally just keep posting them on a bunch of different accounts. Send some influencers the product for free. Throw it to them for free so that they can make the video. Put the link in the bio. Whatever it is, do what you have to do to make that money. It's time. If you like the content, please don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. I'm not selling no courses to you. You know, everything that you need to find is on YouTube. Just remember that. Not selling any courses. Everything you need to find is on YouTube. If you guys have questions, if you want to make another video about something else, please let me know. I got some other things that I'm working on that I'm going to make videos about later in terms of making money online, aside from dropshipping. But yeah, definitely if you guys want me to make more dropshipping content, let me know what exactly you guys have questions on, and I can make those videos for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.